I have had one of these dropped off to me. There is something wrong with it. The owner would like there to not be something wrong with it. So in this video we are going to take this Shark Rotator Speed Lift Away NV680UK and try and fix it. And if we can fix it, we can have a little bit of a go with it, because I have never had one before. So let's see if it's an easy fix or not. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Yes, this is a job, so we must do the job on it and get it working. Apparently it makes a weird hissing sound. I don't know either. I just told the owner to bring it round and I would have a look, so let's turn it on. That's the release valve. I think it might be blocked. Let's take off the bin. Nothing wrong with that, although that doesn't fit. Well, it runs. I mean, that's possibly the first step in it being okay, because if it needed the motor, it would be an absolute no-no. The next thing that I'm going to check before I do anything else is the stupid hose that runs through here, splits, and yep, it's split. Ha 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 ha. You won't see that, but I can. Crikey. Right. Okay, so we have a machine that's blocked up and has a split hose. Oh, goody. Let's see why it's split. I mean, it works with this all off. Filter is actually very clean indeed. So, very clean. So, it's been looked after. That's possibly why the motor still works. Okay, interesting. But it's only when this goes on. This doesn't seem like blocked. It's fine. Let's take the hose off, put the bin back on, which I found out you can only do with that off, otherwise it won't click in. Oh yeah, I turned it off. Oh. Aha! But there's something caught in the hose. How does this hose come? Oh gosh. Nothing down the wand. Definitely is. Tell you what, let's bring onto the scene Mr. Benchington Esquire, and we'll see what he thinks of this hose situation. Found something. Good boy. You good boy. There was simply a blockage in the hose. Ah, if only it was ever that simple. With a shark. Hey. Fabulous. So it now runs. Come on, off. It runs and sucks and is very clean. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear though, Mr. Hose. I'm thinking some Christmas tape just wrapped around it. There's going to be plenty, because it's in there. That's the split. Right there, so let me consult and take this apart, and I'll come back when it's apart and we can see the hose. Did you know, folks, that a Hoover Turbo Power 1 total system hose is the same width, roughly thread, etc. as the original Shitty Shark one? But Shitty Shark being Shitty Shark haven't stopped being shitty. I can't easily work out how to get the other end out of there, so it's going to have to be threaded back in. I know I'm going to go back off camera because this isn't the job I'm filming, it's a horrible job, and measure and cut the hose to the right length, then swear some more as I try and thread it onto that end, reassemble this catastrophe and see if it worked. So the thing is now repaired. We have saved ourselves a tenner over the hoses that you can buy on eBay. They've started to be made now. That is one of the reasons why Shark has such a bad rep. They don't sell that little hose. If you haven't got this, if you got this machine under warranty, you get a whole bottom end. If you haven't got the machine under warranty, you get the phone put down on you. Tells you all you need to know about these things once the warranty expires. But we have fixed this now for the grand total of £0 and 0 pence. How does it work now? Well, it is lovely to use, I must say. It feels very good in my hands. It's light. Oh, I can feel it sticking to the floor really rather well. It transitions very well. It's leaving okay pruning. It's even, actually I can see it on the carpet tiles, doing a very good job indeed. But that's not the only way that you can use this machine, of course. We are missing the caddy that should click onto, which turns it into a cylinder. I've seen the videos of it, but we can hold it and have ourselves all that. Oh, I don't know actually. It's good, but the back end lifts up, especially on here. I'm actually better off using. Oh, no, that's not nice. So this makes the torque head on the Dyson V11 look nice to use. That does. Oh, you can't. Oh, no, you can. That's all right then. The weight from having this on stops that pulling back up bit, which is a lot nicer. But it has excellent suction for now. Whatever was clogging up the wand, and yeah, I don't like them too much still. I still think that they're very plasticky, very cheap. Zero aftercare service once the warranty runs out. Even I've heard a lot of stories of when the warranty is in. Check out reviews and you will see. But this one has been fixed for the total cost of nothing to me, so there will be some profit in this job. You lot now know that a Hoover Turbo Power 1 total system hose fits these an absolute treat. And I can end this video and say thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.